Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another trucking vlog. I hope you all are doing well today. We are 1.4 miles away from this customer, taking a left here in just about half a mile, and we should be there here in a few minutes. I'm gonna get checked in with, I don't know if it's gonna be a security guard or if it's gonna be just the shipping receiving office. We'll find out once we get there. We'll have to take this left up here onto Church Street. Turn left at the traffic light, she says. Okay, there's the traffic light. Is this a double turn? Nope, it is not. Okay. We'll go ahead and take our left here. Looks like the coast is clear, which is great. As long as the light stays green, we're good. Oh, it turned yellow, but I'm already in the intersection. Alrighty. Woo, that's going to be a tight one. 13.7 with 13.6. Ooh, that's going to be a close one. I don't think we're going to be coming across it, though, is the thing. Jeez. Alright. I think it said 1.5 miles. We're not even going a mile, so. In 0.4 miles, I think it said it was on the right. At least that's where the checkered flag is on there, which I would assume would be it. Let's see. Trying to figure out, is it that place right there?
Arrive at 705 South Church Street on the right.
I feel like it's this building. It may be. CEI? Nope. Okay, that says 13.3. That sign back there said 13.6. I'm gonna pull in here. And I'm gonna try to do a U-turn. I'm gonna look at my phone real quick. Always gotta do this in a safe area. I can at least blindside next to that dump truck and get myself turned around. So I'm gonna set my brakes here real quick. I need to look this address up. I feel like this didn't take me to the correct location. So give me a second here, guys. What's the actual address? Huh? 705. What? I'm so confused. What? Small town auto sales. Alright, guys. We got checked in. And we're supposed to go to 36, which is on the other side of this trailer here. Ended up having a hard time finding the place. I turned around and... Oh, it's right here. Okay. Thought that it was right on the other side of that, but it's right here. So, We got a nice wide open area. But turns out they said the load wasn't even in their system. And it was confusing because, like, how is it not in your system? But I don't know. Let's go ahead, get these doors open. And then we can go ahead and back it up in there. If it ain't one thing, it's another in the trucking industry, guys. I feel it's a bolt cutter. I don't have a bolt cutter. I need to get a bolt cutter. That's one thing I have not gotten. Is that a hole? No, it's just water. I'm gonna get this backed up a little bit into the spot. We'll run back in there, see if they have a bolt cutter. I sure hope they do. Let me at least get it backed up in there so I'm not just blocking this whole thing, obviously. All right, let's go ahead and get it back in there. All right, I'm gonna have to pull up to the left a little bit to get straight with the trailer. Oh, we're almost perfect. I let it walk too far to the right, just a hair. Okay, right there should be good. Straighten it up a little bit. Actually, I need to scoot over to the right just a hair. There's more visible to my right than there is to the left, so not much, but enough to where my OCD is gonna it's gonna be kind of annoying. Don't tell me I went too far now. I think I did. It's always the tiny little adjustments that screw me up. Yep, no, I gotta go back to the left. It's not even that much. Might have to just suck it up and not get completely perfect. There we go, that's better. However, I'm gonna have to run forward. No, I'm still off. Damn. What the heck? I'm not even off, it's just my OCD is gonna bother me if I don't fix it. My DCO. Okay. That's good right there. I'm going to run inside, go see if they have bolt cutters. I'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys, so we just went ahead and backed into the dock. We got the bolt cutters, and we're now on the dock, set the brakes. So we're just gonna wait and see how long this is gonna take. It is now currently 1:47. So we're gonna have to take a look at the time and see how long it takes. So I'll catch up with you guys when we get unloaded. All right, guys, well, we are finally unloaded after almost 3.5 hours. And I missed that sign on the way in. That's why I was like, where the heck is this place? It's like a brand new building, so. We're on our way back to Carlisle. We gotta go pick up another load. It's another live load. And that was just a live unload, go figure. So we gotta go pick up. Keep interrupting me, thank you. We gotta go pick up a load that's running out to Kentucky. A little bit over 700 miles, so that's good.
Load number 99143201013 has been modified. The following changes were made by the dispatcher, who was modified. K004560002, now Spoots INC, was modified.
Is everyone done interrupting me? That's probably going to say it here in a sec. I'm going to wait till that's done talking.
Turn right on Chamber of Commerce between.
Let these guys go. See him in my mirror. Alright, I think we got one more coming. Yeah. Okay, we're good now. We'll just use this inside lane.
In 1 mile, turn left on I-81 South.
Gotta take a left onto 81 South here in a mile. That's one lane now. Okay, cool. Alright, let's get up to speed, get out here to I-81, and head on back to Carlisle. Drop down in the comments below, guys. Kind of curious. What is the longest you have had to sit and wait at a dock to either be loaded or unloaded? I know my longest was 16 hours. And that was about a month or two, I think, after I started driving on my own from being with my trainer. And yeah, so 16 hours. It was at the Dana facility I think it was Toledo, Ohio. I know it was in Ohio regardless. I can't remember exactly
Turn
what
left on
city,
I-81 South.
so don't quote me on it. It may have been somewhere else, but I know it was in Ohio, but it was Dana. And it was horrible. 16 hours. Come on. Truck wasn't wanting to slow down. Come on, dude. This is stupid. Road closed. We'll open it up. Kind of close there. All right. Let's get out here onto I-81. Hopefully it's not super windy anymore. I know it just rained a little bit while I was waiting to get unloaded. Yeah, it was weird that they didn't even have that in the system. Have you guys ever ran into that before? Let me know down in the comments as well. Where they say, oh, we don't have your load, or it's not in the system. Doesn't really make sense to me. So, if you guys ever ran into that, and that's with like delivering a load. I mean, I've heard of that happening when you have a pickup, like, oh, we don't have your load or whatever. I've heard of that happening before, but never like when you're delivering a load, have I ever been told, oh, we don't have it in the system. Like, the whole trailer was full of frickin' washers or dryers for Samsung. And it's like, you guys don't want your washers and dryers? I'll happily take some washers and dryers from Samsung. Anyway, we're gonna get on down the road here, guys. And I'll catch up with you here in a